Neovim, Episode 8, TreeSitter. AST-powered syntax highlighting and code intelligence. Here's what we'll cover. TreeSitter setup. 1 plugin, 7 language parsers. Text objects. Select functions, classes, parameters by structure. Incremental selection and code folding by AST. Let's begin. 6 plugins from Episode 7. Time to add TreeSitter. New spec file for TreeSitter. Build :TSUpdate. Compiles parsers on install. Config function. TreeSitter needs setup, not just ops. Seven languages. Each gets its own parser. Highlight enable. AST-powered syntax colors. Indent enable. TreeSitter calculates correct indent. Incremental selection. Enter expands by AST node. Full TreeSitter spec. Config function handles everything. Kotlin with TreeSitter. Watch the syntax colors. In Spec tree, every token mapped to the AST. TSX file, TypeScript and JSX parse together. Second spec, text objects plugin. Depends on TreeSitter. Lazy loads it first. Select keymaps. AF for around function, IF for inner. Move keymaps. Bracket M jumps between functions. Swap parameters. Leader A moves a parameter forward. Full spec. Select, move, and swap. All AST aware. Kotlin file. Let us try each text object. VAF. Visual around function. Whole function selected. VIF. Inner function. Just the body, no signature. VAC. Around class. The entire task manager class. VIA. Inner parameter. Selects just one argument. Bracket M. Jump to the next function start. Leader A. Watch the parameter swap positions. Leader Shift A. Swap back to original order. Components, TSX. TreeSitter knows every node. Cursor inside the button component. Enter starts incremental selection. Again. Selection grows to the next AST node. Each press expands outward. Expression to block to function. Backspace shrinks back. Precise structural selection. Add fold settings to options. 4 lines. Fold method EXPR. TreeSitter calculates fold boundaries. Fold level 99. Start with everything open. ZM, close all folds. Entire file collapsed. ZO, open fold under cursor. ZR, open all folds, back to full view. ZA, toggle fold under cursor. Let us recap 5 key takeaways. First, TreeSitter compiles a parser per language. Second, highlight and indent replace regex with AST. Third, AFAC, AA select functions, classes, parameters. Fourth, bracket M jumps functions, leader A swaps parameters. Fifth, enter grows selection by node, Z, C, folds by syntax. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Neovim tutorials.